political battleground of Maharashtra to the national capital, which is continuing to be wrapped in a blanket of smog. Now, with the air quality at the moment in severe category, this is for the third consecutive day, the AQI is at 498. Delhi is the world's second most polluted city. This is after Pakistan's Lahore, where the AQI is 770, which was recorded at 7 a.m. Now, the air quality is now deteriorating, and that's a huge cause of concern. A Swiss company is also, which has ranked major cities based on the PM 2.5 or the particulate matter 2.5 data, has given this data that Delhi is one of the most polluted cities in the world. Given the worsening air quality in Delhi, stage 3 of the Graded Response Action Plan, also known as GRAP, has been implemented. This happened yesterday, following an order by the Commission of the Air Quality Management on Thursday. While GRAP 3 is in effect, construction and demolition work is going to be halted. All non-essential mining activities will also be suspended. Schools have been ordered to stay closed. They have been asked to switch on at the moment to the online mode. Listen in first of all to the reactions.
GRAP 3 को कल CAQM ने लागू कर दिया है, तो दिल्ली के अंदर उसको कैसे सही तरीके से इम्प्लीमेंट किया जाए, इसको लेकर के हमने आज जो अलग अलग कंसर्निंग डिपार्टमेंट के अधिकारी हैं उनके साथ हमने बैठक की थी। खासतौर से ग्रैप 3 में दो चीजों पे फोकस है। एक तो कैसे जो कंस्ट्रक्शन का जो वर्क है उसकी वजह से जो डस्ट पोल्यूशन होता है उसको रोका जाए, और जो व्हीकल पोल्यूशन है उसको कैसे कंट्रोल किया जाए। और मैं भाजपा के नेताओं से निवेदन करना चाहता हूं कि एक काम वो भी कर दें। 4 सरकारें हैं भाजपा की। उत्तर प्रदेश में भाजपा की सरकार है, राजस्थान में है, छत्तीसगढ़ में है, केंद्र में भाजपा की सरकार है। कम से कम बसें तो डीजल की बंद कर दें, अपने राज्यों से भेजना।
All right, Tejashree is joining us live on the broadcast. Tejashree, the air quality is deteriorating. Take us through what's the condition like in the national capital. It's almost apocalyptic every morning, obviously. The national capital shrouded in a layer of smog. Is the condition similar, or is there any improvement today?
Whereas the condition remains to be similar, however, there is a very slight today's AQI in the national capital, but currently I'm reporting from the visibility is not as clear as it should be, and in fact at the all hotspot the condition somewhat remains to be the same, say it be at Akshardham, say it be at ITO, say it be at Anand Vihar, ISBT. So at all these places the condition remains to be the same. However, GRAP 3 has been implemented yesterday by CAQ and in fact Delhi government as well, and also to the Delhi Environment Minister Gopal.
Yes, you're right, Tejashree. We did listen to that reaction of the Delhi Environment Minister as well. We believe that you are facing some technical difficulty, but Tejashree was bringing us the latest ground situation as to how bad the air quality in the national capital is. It's in the severe, the very poor category. The AQI is deteriorating. Tejashree is bringing us the latest ground reports. We will obviously keep going back to her and getting all the ground reports far as the air quality in the national capital and adjoining area is concerned. As of now, talking about the air quality at the moment, viewers, it was the Chief Minister who had announced all these measures, and we heard what obviously Gopal Rai also had to say, and we'll keep an eye on that big story as